Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to French class. Today we are going to learn about the indefinite articles. So what is very important to remember that in French you must really use an article in front of French nouns. So in French we have different type of articles. We have the indefinite articles, un, une, des, that is in English the equivalent of a or an or one. For example, an apple or a computer, one computer. Those are indefinite articles, right? And we also have a definite article, which in English would be the book, the apple. So we won't see those today, but as you see, we have many here just for one in English. We also have the partitive article, du, de, la, de, l'apostrophe, and des. But today, we only are going to focus on the indefinite articles. So, for example, un étudiant, the word is masculine. Une, une étudiante, when the word is feminine. So here, as we learned before with the gender of the nouns, so when you have a feminine noun, you will use the, when you need to use an indefinite article, you're going to use une for feminine. And when you want to use an indefinite article with a masculine noun, you're going to use un. So it's very important here. You hear the pronunciation feminine, une, or un, very different. So it's important because we hear this when we speak. So we're gonna hear if it's the word is feminine or masculine. If the word is masculine or feminine, but it is plural, then we're only going to use des. Des étudiants, masculin pluriel, ou bien des étudiantes, féminin pluriel, that doesn't change. So when to use those um, indefinite article, the same as in English, when you want to point out to something that you don't know, it's indefinite object. For example, what is it? It is a book. Voilà, same use as in English. So this is important to remember as well because in French, uh, most of the time we have the same rules here for the indefinite articles. Sometimes we have different rules in grammar, but rely on what you already know because it's going to help you with French as well. So as we just mentioned, you're going to use those indefinite article in sentences like qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? What is it? Qu'est-ce que c'est? And then the answer is going to be c'est un livre. C'est un livre. Or, if the noun is feminine, c'est une pomme. C'est une pomme. And here, if the word is plural, you're going to use ce sont. Ce sont des crayons. C'est un livre, c'est une pomme, ce sont des crayons. And you notice here they're all objects, so you're going to use que. And it is really que like this, but since we have another here, we learned that as well. You're going to put an apostrophe and then you're only going to have uh, que, QU apostrophe. If now you want to ask about a person, not a thing, you're going to say qui est, qui est? And then the answer is going to be c'est Pierre, maybe it's Nathalie, c'est Nathalie, it's Pierre, or c'est un étudiant, it's a student, that's a student, right? And then if it's a feminine noun, c'est une étudiante, c'est une étudiante. You can also say qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur la table? What is there on the table? So what is there on the table? There in French, you're going to say qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur la table? What is there on the table? Il y a un livre. There is a book. Il y a une pomme. There is an apple. Il y a des crayons. there are pencils. So you observe here the indefinite article changes if the noun is feminine or masculine, and also if the noun is plural. Here you notice in English you're gonna say in plural, there are pencils, not in French. Il y a, just say il y a. At least here it's easier. So you can also, if it's you ask about persons, you can say est-ce qu'il y a des étudiants dans la salle de classe? Est-ce qu'il y a des étudiants dans la salle de classe? Are there students in the classroom? And then if it's yes, oui, il y a. Il y a des étudiants. So you can use il y a with things or people. Voilà, merci beaucoup. I hope it helped. I'll see you in the next video. Merci. Au revoir.